In a world filled with noise and chaos, understanding others might seem impossible. But ancient Stoics believed that by mastering yourself, you gain the power to understand the hearts of those around you. True mind reading isn't magic, it's self-awareness. Start by looking inward. Our emotions, anger, envy, fear, often distort how we view others. Epictetus wisely said, "What troubles people are not events, but their judgments of them." Recognize your own judgments, and you'll see how they echo in others. Self-awareness is the first step toward truly grasping another's perspective. Next, observe actions. Words can deceive, but actions reveal truth. As Seneca taught, behavior unmasks motives. Watch what people prioritize, avoid, or pursue. Every action is a key to their thoughts. This requires patience and attention, but it offers unparalleled insights into what truly drives those around you. Finally, stay calm. If someone offends you, don't react emotionally. Their actions are often reflections of their struggles, not attacks on you. By keeping your composure, you see their motives clearly. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Mastering this practice will free you from emotional manipulation. You'll see people as they are, imperfect, striving humans. With clarity comes compassion, helping you connect with others while staying grounded in your own peace. This combination of understanding and resilience is the key to meaningful relationships and inner harmony. What do you think of this Stoic perspective? Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a like, and subscribe for more wisdom to guide your journey. Let's explore this path to self-mastery together.